Let's now look at cube roots. The side length of a cube is the cube root of the volume of the cube. Now the symbol that we use to represent a cube root is a little 3 with like your square root sign and then your number inside. So this would say cube root of n. Now let us look at the following cube that has a volume of 64 cubic units. Now the side length of this will be 4 because 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. And so we write that the cube root of 64 is equal to 4. Now any whole number then can be represented as a volume of a cube with a whole number edge length is a perfect cube. Now if we look at this cube here and we want to find the side length, we will do a factor tree. So if I break down 512 into 4 times 128 and break that down again to 2 times 2 and to 4 times 32 and carry down my prime numbers here. The 4 is 2 times 2 and the 32 is 16 times 2. So we got to keep going, remember, until all of the numbers are just prime factors. So the 16 is 4 times 4. So we are not done yet. We have one more row to do. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 for that 4 times another 2 times 2 and then that 2 at the end. Now a quick and easy way to check your prime factorization whenever you have such a large one is to take your bottom row and multiply all of the numbers together. If you get 512, then you did it correctly. Now because we're finding the cube root, we're going to circle groups of 3. So there's a group of 3. Here's another group of 3, and here's another group of 3. So we write that the cube root of 512 is 2 times 2 times 2, which would equal 8. So that the edge length of this cube is 8 centimeters.